This is Parashat Lech Lecha. Very interesting in Parashat Lech Lecha, we have the first world war that 4 Melachim, they come against 5 Melachim. Perek Yud Dalet, beginning of Perek Yud Dalet says that there are 4 Melachim, or very strong Melachim. They come and they make Milchama with the 5 Melachim, and they fight with them. In other words, and they take them. And the Apostle says, when these 4 Melachim were so strong, that they even overcame the 5 Melachim, they came and they took Lot, Ben Achi Abraham. We know who is Lot. Why does it Ben Achi Abraham? It's the nephew of Abraham. Why does the Apostle tell us? The Apostle is telling us because all of the war was to capture Lot. Why they were interested to capture Lot? Because they, in other words, the Torah is telling us all of the war is a power struggle. They saw Abraham is growing and growing. They want to attack Abraham. How do you attack Abraham? If they just go and kill him, all of the media would be against him. Then they are politically have to be right. So the best plan is go and anyway we are fighting with these five kings, and we get the Lot and all of his property, and Abraham comes to save Lot, and through that we're gonna destroy Abraham. Vaishma Abraham, and Abraham came and fought with them, and miraculously God saved it. There are 318 people who just came and saved by and he divided that night with them, and he did the milchama and he won the war. And finally, this Melachim came to Abraham and they said that Abraham, tell the in other words, these 4 Melachim, when they fought with us, they took a lot of captivities, and they took all of our wealth that we have. Now, give us the nefesh souls and the wealth for yourself, keep it for yourself. Abraham, El Melech Sodom. Now, Abraham, what should Abraham do? Abraham put his life for this milchama, this war. If he would go and ask any rabbi, am I entitled to this money or not? Say, of course, the war, you got it, it's yours. Of course it's yours. You gave your soul for it. Of course it's yours. He full entitlement to that money. As Abraham says, if he says from the thread till shoelace, if I take from this money, you're gonna say that you made Abraham rich. And Akash Baruch Hu promised me that it's going to make me rich. I don't want, it would be a Chilul Hashem. It seems that I wasn't Boteach on Akash Baruch Hu, and I trusted in you. Alisha HaKadosh asked, or maybe that is the promise of Hashem. When Hashem says makes you rich, how does it make you rich? He doesn't open the windows of Shamayim and the money should come down. Maybe through this. Alisha says that no, since this money came out through the fact that these people were Rishonim, and through Rishud and came out, it's not Hashem. Hashem says, Hashem wants to give you the wealth from his own hand. He doesn't want through Rishonim. That's why Abraham said. Now the Midrash says, now let's freeze that moment. That moment that the king told him, you're going to get all of the wealth. It's a lot of wealth here. We're not talking about a little bit money. It's a lot of money, richness here. And freeze that moment. That moment, Abraham is thinking into himself. I put my life for this money. And Hashem also told me that he's going to make me rich. You put 2 + 2 is 4. Get the money, cash in, justify it, and do it. And Abraham understands better. He realizes there's something more important here. And that realization, he said, if I get from a thread, shoelace, thread and shoelace, it's like Chassor, like the Midrash, thread became thread of Tzitzit. Shoelace became shoelace of Tefilin. The Midrash is telling us there is a moment in life that moment makes the history of mankind. If that moment Abraham Avinu would have felt that I'm entitled to that money, I'm entitled to it, and I'm getting it, he would lose out Tzitzit and Tefilin for the whole story. Tzitzit is the uniform, becoming one uniform with the Akadosh Baruch Hu. Tefilin, we tie up ourselves to Akadosh Baruch Hu. Every day we have the sechut to put on Tzitzit and Tefilin. Why? Where did the sechut and the merit come from? That we have such a sechut and merit. Bilam, when he talks about the Har Israel, he says, what do you want in his prophecy? You want to carry. You are like a lion. Get up in the morning, they put out Tzitzit and Tefilin, they say Shema. Nobody could conquer them with that weapons that they have. The greatest weapon, Tzitzit, Tefilin, Shema, is the greatest weapon of the Har Israel. Who could come close to them? Bilam said that. Therefore, we got that zechut and merit that to wear the uniform of Hashem and to have the shoelace, to have the tefillin to tie up, because we had the father. That father had the nisayon in a freeze, that second, that moment of nisayon, he was omed in nisayon. He rejected the goyim. He rejected the tumah. He didn't want to become one with it. He didn't want that to have shaykhut and relationship with that. Once he rejected and he didn't want to become one with tumah, one with something that's not HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the children forever, they were zoche to wear the uniform of Hashem and to tie up HaKadosh Baruch Hu with themselves. This is our instrument of life. Our moments in life that we are standing two roads in front of us. One road is a little bit taiva, a little bit jealousy, arrogancy. If we depart ourselves and we say, no, we don't want it, then we're going to be soche to ruchniot, to soche. If we give in, like every day in the Omen says, Mota mina bema ayin. What's the chiluk between Adam and Bema is ayin. Some Mefarshim say there's nothing. We say it down every day. But some Mefarshim say the difference between Adam and animal is the power of saying no. Animal, when there is a taiva, when there is desire, he can't say no. But Adam has a power to reject and to say no. And through that, we were zoche to Tzitzit and Tefilin, to Avraham Avinu, with standing such a great historian in life.